Halloween, with its spooky costumes and sweet treats, has a history that stretches back centuries. Its roots lie in the ancient Celtic festival of Samhain. Celebrated on October 31st or November 1st according to some reports, Samhain marked the end of the harvest season and the beginning of the dark, cold winter. For the Celts, this time of year held a sense of mystery and magic. The boundary between the worlds of the living and the dead was believed to be at its thinnest on Samhain. To appease the spirits, the Celts would light bonfires, make offerings, and often wear costumes. These rituals were meant to protect them from harm and ensure a safe passage into the new year. Samhain was a time of both celebration and solemnity, a recognition of the cycle of life, death, and rebirth. It laid the groundwork for the Halloween we know and love today, a testament to the enduring power of ancient traditions. As Christianity spread throughout Europe, it began to absorb and adapt existing pagan traditions. Samhain was no exception. In the 8th century, Pope Gregory III designated November 1st as All Saints' Day, a day to honor all Christian saints. This move coincided with Samhain, and gradually, the two celebrations began to blend. The evening before All Saints' Day, known as All Hallows Eve, retained some of the spooky elements of Samhain. Costumes and bonfires remained common sights, and people continued to tell stories of spirits and the supernatural. Over time, All Hallows Eve evolved into Halloween, a name that reflects its direct connection to All Saints' Day. This fusion of Christian and pagan influences is a testament to the ever-evolving nature of cultural traditions. Halloween made its way to America with European immigrants, particularly the Irish, who arrived in large numbers during the 19th century. Initially, Halloween celebrations were more common in certain regions, reflecting the cultural makeup of different communities. However, the holiday gradually gained popularity across the United States. By the late 19th century, Halloween was becoming a more secular celebration, with a focus on community gatherings, festive decorations, and playful activities. Newspapers began to feature Halloween-themed stories and images, further fueling its rise in popularity. This period marked a significant shift in Halloween's identity, from a solemn observance with religious overtones to a more lighthearted and inclusive holiday embraced by people of all backgrounds. Modern Halloween traditions. Today, Halloween is one of the most popular holidays in the United States and many other parts of the world. It's a time for children and adults alike to dress up in costumes, carve pumpkins, decorate their homes, and indulge in sweet treats. Trick-or-treating, the beloved tradition of children going door-to-door in costume requesting candy, has become synonymous with Halloween. This custom is thought to have roots in both ancient Celtic practices and medieval European traditions such as souling, where poor people would go door-to-door receiving food in exchange for prayers for the dead. From haunted houses and costume parties to spooky movies and festive parades, Halloween offers a diverse range of activities that capture the imagination and provide opportunities for fun and celebration. Halloween's enduring appeal lies in its ability to adapt and evolve with each passing generation. While its origins are rooted in ancient traditions, it has taken on new meanings and customs in different cultures around the world. In some places, Halloween is still observed with a strong emphasis on honoring the dead and remembering ancestors. In others, it's primarily a festive occasion for children. This cultural diversity enriches the tapestry of Halloween, reflecting the unique perspectives and traditions of communities worldwide. Beyond its spooky exterior, Halloween offers a space for creativity, self-expression, and a playful embrace of the unknown. It's a time to challenge boundaries, confront fears, and celebrate the power of imagination. From its ancient Celtic roots to its modern-day incarnations, Halloween has captivated imaginations for centuries. It's a holiday that reminds us of the cyclical nature of life and death, the power of storytelling, and the importance of community. Whether you're drawn to its spooky history, its festive traditions, or its message of embracing the unknown, Halloween offers something for everyone. So this Halloween, as you carve your pumpkins, don your costumes, and indulge in sweet treats, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and cultural significance of this beloved holiday. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the history of Halloween. May your celebrations be filled with spooky delights and sweet memories. Thank you for listening and watching. You may comment, like, and share this video with others. You may subscribe to this channel and follow me at leroybrown.k